couple good trades today. I mean, it's a little bit of a recap. We had the first trade up here where we bounced off of the London low for 15 points. Nice little $300. Pretty easy. Not a lot to do on that one. And then this one off the overnight lows was a little uneasy, you could say. Kind of made its way up. What was it? 8.5, almost 9 points. Then it kind of came back and was down here a bit, so took it off break even. Didn't want to risk it, pushing through, making more lows. But if I was a little more patient, it would have gone up and hit my target of 15 points. Probably would have ended the day there, actually. If we did, we would have been up 600, but yeah, I was a little impatient, a little hesitant, didn't want to risk it because it was taking its time to go up. Then we had a nice little trade here, just kind of off the break through these highs with a little retracement. Wanted to get bounce in here, kind of off the overnight lows, and we got a bit of a push. We were up almost, what was it, almost like 20 points or something like that, if I remember correctly. And yeah, trailer stopped below the low of this candle, got stopped out. But unfortunately, I made a little bit more highs, but we were going for a 1-to-1, so we wouldn't have quite hit our target of 26 points up here. So would have gone stopped out, break even, or somewhere in here if we were trailing. Yeah, but we did get $125 out of that one. And then, yeah, another play off the overnight lows after we broke up through them. Got the bounce, and it was a good bounce. It was a little messy here with the almost hitting target, coming back down to almost break even, but then we got back up. And we got it, $300 to end the day. Pretty solid. Might keep playing some games, looking at the charts, but might be locking ourselves out here so we don't make any more trades and give it back. Pretty solid day.
Order filled. Target filled.
Nice. Great bounce. Great trade.
Filled.
There we go. We'll get in. We'll put our stop at the low and go for a nice 1-to-1 here. There we go. Pushing up in the green a little bit. Probably put our stop to break even once we get up here towards some of these highs. Assuming we can get up there. Buyers aren't looking terrible, but they definitely could be a bit better. They're kind of rejecting right here just a bit. Dang, just about made it up there. Kind of thinking mentally that I'm already break even, but might give it a little more time. Keep a close eye on it. Trading does take priority here, but we did get into the game here. There we go. Making those highs. Let's go break even. Actually, let's just put our stop right there. Under those lows in case it just rejects all the way down. We are rejecting a bit. That's a little unfortunate. We got pretty close to our target, but now we're sure back down.
Stop filled.
Dang, yeah, stopped out real quick. There we go, there we go. Go break even. Let's see if we can't just get all the way up there. Come on, you're right there. Maybe we'll trail it a bit. Ooh. Damn, we might have missed it. We might have missed it. Just barely by like couple, what was that? A couple points? Jeez, yeah, like 1 point. Dang, yeah, right back to break even. Well, there we go, maybe. It's now or never. Get that push back up. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on. Kind of want to lock in some profit up here, but also want to give it a little bit of room. It should get up there and hit my target. Yeah, we'll lock in 180 right there.
Target filled.
There we go. We got it. Oh, that was a little scary. We were just about a point away from the profit target, and we came just a couple points away from getting stopped out of break even. But then we bounced off those EMAs right there, and we got it. Very nice. Maybe got a little lucky on that one, but we'll take it. Now we're up $711 on the day. Again, on this 50K eval. So pretty solid. Might be calling it a day after that one. Don't want to lose my profits. Gotta lock it in. Don't want to give anything back to the market. Market doesn't deserve my money. Let's just put it that way. Had a bit of a losing day yesterday, so I definitely need these wins to keep this account going. Yeah, good win, good trade. And really making some new highs here. Guess I should have held on to that trade just a little bit longer. Got in at 170. Took my 15 points. Very solid trade. But yeah, just kind of holding this EMA going up now to the 200s. Even that original long over here would have been a pretty good play if we held through these retracements, but pretty smart to take the break even, or I guess trailed up a little bit to 125 on that one. No point in risking all that to come back down, hit my stop. That would have been a little unfortunate. Definitely emotionally taxing as well, watching it come back down, almost hit my stop. But it looks like the longs are playing out here off the overnight lows. Might be making our way all the way up to the VWAP. We'll see.